So hello again and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. And again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. You can also like up the video. And so again, I'm going to be running some videos tonight. So just enjoy the videos. Okay, hello and good morning to all my subscribers. Please like, share, and subscribe to the video. I'm basically going to be prepping for my service 400 amp panel. So hello again and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. So again, as you guys come in, just hit up the like button. So what I'm simply doing, So again, what I'm simply doing is placing the plywood in front of the concrete block wall. This is to prevent the measures of moisture getting into the panel and interfering with the service itself.
Please, hello and welcome again. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is basically my 400 amp panel, which I removed all the components from inside so I can open the panel. You can see this is panel covers that I had to remove in order to mount the panel on the plywood. I'm still working on my installation of my new panel. So what I'm going to be doing is clearing this whole area for my new panel. I have to clear everything to make sure I have enough room. The panel will be a lot bigger. So before I install my new panel, I want to make sure that everything is cleared. No obstacles is in my way. And this is the new panel. But I'm going to be taking this panel and flipping it the other way because the main comes in this way. So for that reason, I have to flip my panel the other direction instead of being the normal way. So now this is allowed because there's a code rule that states that your breaker has to be a certain height. So this is within my certain height, so I can take this panel and flip it the other way, and that's exactly what I'm going to do to make this work. Okay, just gonna knock out the couple of things. That way, once I install my panel, I don't need to play around with here because it's going to give me problems. So the key to installing a panel fast and efficiently is to prep everything. Make sure that you don't forget the simple stuff that you need to do before you install this panel. This will be one of them. So that's basically what I'm doing in this video. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. I need two wires into one grommet. So the trade name is grommet. It's basically a connector. I'm basically having problems with this, so I'm just going to cut this off and get rid of it. So it's now 11:18 and I'm still waiting on the inspector. He should be here around between 11 and 1. See, it's very messy in here. There's not a lot of room to play with. So again, these are my two lighting circuits here I have. I'm just going to get rid of these ground wires because so as you can see, I'm not twisting them. I'm just putting them together so they go into the same ground screw, under the same ground screw. The reason why I do not twist my wires is because if I have to, if there's a problem and I have to troubleshoot, then I have to remove all the grounds from the bar, and it just does not make sense. So I don't twist my grounds. Again, also this is just a video. Please don't try this at home. If you have to, contact a licensed electrical contractor. see I have a lot of wires still to go. This side is basically finished. And I always use my connector. And now this is washroom GFI, so I'm just going to mark it. Don't need a whole lot, and remember I always cut my wires one by one, never two or three. It's a dead short.
So hello again and welcome back to the channel, and you are tuned into a live stream today. So again, as you come in, like up the live, and also for those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe.
Okay, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. So basically in today's video I'm going to be showing you my panel installation. This panel is basically on the first floor of the house I'm currently working at. And as you can see, I have these two sets of wires. These two sets of wires are basically for my boiler cables. These are my boiler cables. They're going to be 20 amp receptacles, possibly single pole or two pole, I'm not sure. The boiler cables or the boilers are not in yet, so I just ran my wire so I don't have any issues at the end of the job. As you can see, I have all my circuits labeled with the red tape. Once I'm ready to install my breakers, I will have my circuits here. These white wires are basically 14 amps. So 14 gauge wire, which will go onto a 15 amp breaker. It's possible it could be an arc fall or it could be a 15 amp regular breaker. Then I have these two blue cables. They're basically same thing, 15 amp breakers. And if you go down here, you'll see I have this. This is basically the name that I wrote onto the wire, so when I'm ready to install my breaker, I will know the destination of this wire. This is my 20 amp cable here. This 20 amp cable is basically going to be for a wine cooler. This cable here is a number 6, which is going to be for EV charger, which is inside the garage. And if I go on this side here, I have my orange cable. These cables here are all for, this will be for my dryer. And I have 20 amp cable here, which will take a 20 amp breaker. And then you'll see all of these cables here. These blue cables are basically for the cameras throughout the house. These cables are for the neutron system. And then I have my data cable. This whole area here will be a cabinet inside this area where I would have all my security panel, my neutron panel, everything that's going to be in here. And then this will be for the feeder to feed this panel. Okay. And I have my plywood, which is a backing. Basically, I put the sheet of plywood, install my panel, and my panel is nice and secure. And as you can see here, I have this is my neutral bus bar. This is my ground bus bar here. So my ground wires will land here. My neutral wires will land here. This will be where my breakers will be installed all in here, both sides. And it's very important to try to not overload one side. You basically have to balance out your panel. So if I have a couple 15 amps on one side, a couple 15 amps on the other side, I have to balance out this panel with some 20 amps on each side, 40 amps, stuff like that. I cannot overload one side. Once you start to overload one side with too many high breakers, then the panel is not going to work as efficiently as it should. So it's always important to not overload or to not have your panel unbalanced. Your panel has to be balanced out in order for your circuits to work properly. So thank you. This is just a short video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.
So hello again and welcome back to the channel. And again, as you guys come in, you guys can like up the video. And also, who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe, or you can become a member of the channel by hitting one of the levels that's located there.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a full roughing of the first floor that I recently finished. So right here, as you can see, we're going to have a security wire. Also, if you see, we're going to have a keypad here. I have some switches on this wall. Also at the entrance, I'm going to have some receptacles. If you see, I have one here. I have another receptacle here. And there's another one here. And we go into this room. This room, you're going to see I have some pot lights, a speaker cable, one sender light. You can see my wires all neatly strapped down. In this room, I'm going to have one data for the TV, one receptacle for the TV, my switches to control this room, my receptacles for this room, alter code. I'll have a data on this wall. I have one receptacle for the floor. This room here is going to be a washroom. You see, I have my fan here, couple pot lights, LED mirror, GFI receptacle for the sink. I have one receptacle for the toilet, and I have my switches. We leave this room here, and we go over to this room. You're going to see I have some pot lights with sender light. This wire here is basically for the LED strip light. I have my switches here, which will be controlled from this side for the pot light. It's also it's called a three-way switch. I have my receptacles. This here is going to be a receptacle for the gas fireplace. And then I'm going to have my security contacts for the windows, along with my wiring for the shade windows. We leave this area. We're going to go into this room, which is another washroom. Two pot lights, one fan, two pendants. I have my receptacle for my LED mirror, receptacle for the GFI. In here, there's no receptacle for the toilet because of the, obviously this is a new style toilet, so it doesn't call for a receptacle. Here I have my switches for this washroom, and if we go into this area, it's going to be one receptacle here, some pot lights, LED strip lights. If you see the way I tuck my wire out so it's not lost in the drywall, and my switches for this washroom, not washroom, for this room. We go over to this next room here. You'll see I have my pot lights, center light, I have speaker cables. I also have another cable for my LED strip. I have my switches here, which will be controlled from this location also. Okay, here I'm going to have a GFI. There's going to be a sink here, wash basin. This is a nanny kitchen, butler kitchen. We go into this area. You're going to see I have my receptacle for my microwave. I have a couple receptacles for the counter, all to code. There's going to be a mini fridge here. Freezer. This is going to be a dishwasher. And I'm going to this area. This is my kitchen. I have a 20 amp fridge receptacle. I have wall oven receptacle. On this wall I have my receptacles that's going to be underneath the cabinet, the counter. I have a hood fan, LED strip lights. I have my stove, one gas stove. By code I have to provide another stove receptacle. And then this area is going to be my counter. These two areas, you'll see I have my receptacles coming up. Dishwasher, counter receptacles. You also see I have some pot lights, speaker cable, one center light. I have more pot lights here, speaker cable, one center light. Going to this area, I have my pot lights with my center light. I have my security wire for the smoke. I have one motion wire for the security. Also I have some contacts for the windows and the shade blinds. In this area is going to be my switches to control the kitchen. I have one keypad here. And then we go into this area where you're going to see I have my switches. These are all going to be controlling the outside lights and some lights inside the entrance here. This room is the main family room. You see I have a receptacle on the top. This is for a sink and GFI. Then I have my plugs on this wall. This is going to be a fireplace, TV, data. In this area I also have speakers along with pot lights. This is going to be one center light with speakers, some pot lights in this area. Also I have my security door window contacts, shade windows. Another set of speakers. LED strip light wire hanging. And this will be my switches for that room, family room. This is the elevator. These wires are going to be basically for the under the stairs lighting. We go into this room. You see I have a smoke detector, 2 lights. This here is another washroom. Fans, 2 pot lights, 2 wall lights, GFI, LED mirror, my switches, my wire is all neatly strapped. In this area we're going to have a kitchen.
So again, hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. And again, as you come in, don't forget to like up the live as I continue with my videos. So these videos are basically videos of the work that I do on a daily basis.
stripping my wire. And as you can see, I'm going to leave this on. So this has the marking to get to where this wire is going to land.
Good night, Sasha Ice. Thank you for checking into the live stream. I started a little bit late tonight here. Yeah, it's just you on the live, Sasha Ice. Haven't seen anyone else come into the live. So again, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to today's live stream. And in today's video, this is a 400 amp panel that's located in the basement. And the cable that was run was 250 kc mil cable. Parallel runs in order to power up the 400 amp panel.
Okay, and that's basically it for today's video. So please like, share, and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you on the next video with this installation. Thank you. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video what you simply have is me installing my breakers into the panel, balancing up the panel correctly, and also installing my power wires. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can leave a like and share the video. You can also comment in the comment section, and also please just sit back and enjoy the video, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So this one actually has the tail. It's a 15 amp arc fall breaker, dual function. This is a 20 amp. I don't need this one yet. For the hood fan, we'll get an arc fault.
So hello again and welcome back to the live. This is live stream and I'm playing some videos. So again, as you come in, don't forget to like up the live. How's your thing going? Oh, shoot. So hello and welcome back to my channel, and for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. Also make sure that your notification is turned to all, that way you receive all of my notifications, including my videos and my live streams. And again, don't forget to like up the video, please and thank you.
So hello and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video what we're going to be going over is the steps that I take when it comes to installation and passing my inspection. Very important to remember the code rules that are laid out inside of the electrical code book. Obviously, the code book that I work off of is the Ontario code book, so everyone's going to be different. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also make sure your notification is turned to all. You can also like and share the video, and you can also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So again, as you come in, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, you can subscribe to the channel to stay up to date to the content. And again, what we have here is a 400 amp panel installation. And here we have a 400 amp disconnect required by code because of the length of the run, being the panel located more than 5 feet away from the meter base that's located on the outside of this exact wall. And what I'm doing here right now is I'm simply grounding off my tech cable grounding onto the ground bushing required by code in order to pass inspection to have your power turned on. So again, please sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys during the video.
Hello and welcome back my viewers and subscribers, and in today's video we're going to dive into the world of roughening and what it takes to pass inspection, and of course what it takes to prep my wires from injuries occurring to others. So in today's video what you simply have is running boards that I will be placing in the attic, required by code. And the normal procedure is basically when you have wires running in the attic, you basically have to place a running board beside or over your wires to cover your wires to hide them, or on the side of the running board, which is the 2x4. And as you can see right here, I'm placing my 2x4 I have running across is where I have my wires, and I'm simply going to be protecting them from being damaged from anyone else who decides to go into the attic to do any type of work after. So So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. And I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream, and also to become to become moderator for the YouTube channel. So again, I'd like to thank you guys all. So I'm going to be running some more videos. Sorry, I just made a mistake there. I meant to say YouTube monetization. I'd like to thank you guys all for making it happen.
The same screw. And again, this is just a video. Please, if you guys need to have any work done, please contact a licensed electrical contractor. Okay, now I will install my breakers. Again, also this is an inspection job, so I'm just waiting for the inspector. This power is not live. There's no power to the panel. The panel is not.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. And again, as you guys enter, just hit the don't forget to hit the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. And in today's video, this panel is a 100 amp panel located on the second floor of the home, and it's going to be the main supply for the second floor, where it's going to be feeding lighting, receptacles, also there's going to be a boiler up there, and it's going to also have hand towels and so on. So again,
sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
So again, it's just a quick tour. This here is the theater room. Yes, Kubuzi. Most everything here is pot lights. There are a couple center lights upstairs, but everything in the house is pretty. Is pot lights. Yes, these are all speakers on the side here. One, two, three. Um, this is going to be a little small bar kitchen area here. We're going to have a sink here. Eventually, I have to run some type of lighting for the, I believe, for the benches, something like that. Yeah, Movement TV is pretty huge. It's a family, it's a theater room. So now you can see with all the lights on here. Um, it is a pretty big, huge ass house. Yeah, bro, it's pretty huge. Yeah. Um, these are the towels that they're using. I don't want to step on it. I don't think it's fresh, but this is just a back room, and here is going to have the the system for the speakers. And this is the stairs. This is the elevator here. Um, that's going to go all the way up to the second floor. I still have to put a light and a plug inside of this area, which is required by code. So these are basically my lights that's coming down, as you can see. So again, these are all pot lights that I'm using. In the basement, there's no center light. In the basement, it's all pot lights. This area, I still have to put the light in. This is a gym. This area is going to be a gym. So you're not going to see anything right now because it's pretty dark. I still have to do the lighting in here. But yeah, this area is going to have a gym. You can see there are all pot lights in here. This pot lights are QBZ. There's no, I didn't put the lighting in right now because I wasn't working.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. And for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure your notification is turned to all. That way you can receive my content. And in today's video, what we have is I'm prepping for a service change panel swap out from 100 to 100. And this panel is an old panel that is defected. So again, I will be changing out my panel, and I will be following all ESA electrical safety code. So again, like I said, please sit back and enjoy the video, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. Again, I never cut 3 wires at the same time. Always one for one. not going to reach here, so I'm just going to shift this breaker up. And voila. That's another exciting video. Also, please like, share, and comment. And stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.
So hello again and welcome back to the channel. And again, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. And also, for those who haven't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe, or you can become a member of the channel. And again, I will like to thank Sasha Ice for tuning in to today's live stream. And also, I will be doing another video. So I will catch you guys on the next live stream.